Amazon Flex lets drivers deliver Amazon packages using their own vehicles and choose available delivery blocks through the Amazon Flex app. By the end, you'll know how Amazon Flex works, what affects your real earnings, and how to decide if waking up early for delivery blocks makes sense in 2026. The biggest question with Amazon Flex is not just how much a delivery block pays. It is whether the time, driving, and vehicle costs make the work worthwhile. Amazon Flex works through scheduled delivery blocks. Drivers choose available blocks in the app, pick up packages from assigned locations, and complete deliveries using their own vehicles. The main advantage is control over your schedule. Drivers can choose blocks that fit their availability instead of working a traditional shift. This makes Amazon Flex appealing for people who want delivery work around another job or personal schedule. The main challenge is competition and availability. Delivery blocks are not always available whenever you want to work. Your location, demand, and the number of drivers in your area can affect how often you find opportunities. Your real earnings also depend on expenses. Drivers pay for their own fuel, vehicle maintenance, insurance, and additional mileage. A delivery block that looks profitable before expenses can have a different result after you calculate the full cost of using your vehicle. The best way to evaluate Amazon Flex is to track your own performance. Record each block, how long it takes from pickup to the final delivery, how many miles you drive, and your vehicle expenses. This gives you a clearer picture than looking only at the block payment. Your vehicle makes a difference too. A fuel-efficient car can reduce operating costs, while a vehicle with higher fuel or maintenance expenses can lower your take-home earnings. Your location also matters. A driver near busy delivery areas may have a different experience compared with someone who has to travel farther to reach pickup locations or complete routes. Amazon Flex can be a good option for people who value flexibility and are comfortable managing their own costs. It may not be the right choice for someone who wants guaranteed hours or a traditional employee schedule. The smartest approach is to test it with real numbers. Track your first delivery blocks and compare your earnings after expenses. Your own results will show whether Amazon Flex is worth the early mornings in your area. The main points are simple. Amazon Flex offers flexible delivery blocks. Your actual profit depends on time and vehicle costs, and tracking your own numbers is the best way to decide if it fits your goals. Your next step is to calculate your earnings per hour after fuel and mileage expenses. If this helped you understand whether Amazon Flex is worth waking up early for in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical side gig reviews.